Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase player fast in FC Mobile. This is FC Mobile Market. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused so you can challenge the event or you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. So if you're still a low level or start in this new game, this market feature will be locked. Here you cannot access this market because you are still a level. All you have to do is level up, play this game every day until level 15 if I'm not forget, so this market will be unlocked, so you will be able to buy or purchase and even sell your player. So I want to show you how you can purchase play fast. All you have to do is search the player that you want. For example, you can use search filter here. Start from program. Let's start from UEFA Euro 2024 program. And your OVR rating is very important. Try to search a specific OVR, for example 94, 94. The maximum is 99. Search. So try this is also the filter. You can tap it a per value. Search the cheapest one here. You can type more than one time to make a proper filter. So for example, this one, the OVR is quite high. um, Try to lower the OVR here because it's too expensive. This one. So if you want to purchase faster, you have to look at the player, this one. So sell quantity 1, it means this player is available to purchase. Try another one. Here there is about 600 another player sell this player, so you can purchase this player. And also the value is quite half down here, 50% down, so you can purchase this player. And let's see another player. Here you have to pay attention about sell quantity, so make sure your favorite player is available. So please feel to try purchase your favorite player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.